Hello, hi, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, hello, and welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes,
Oh,
I
that's great.
can see and hear
That's
clearly.
great. That's great. I can also see and hear you clearly. All right. By the way, my name is Eric. What's your name?
My name is Ryota.
Ryota. Nice to meet you today, Ryota. How are you?
Nice to meet you too. I'm fine.
Oh, good to hear that. Okay, I can see here you chose topic talk 8, work. Is that right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so today's lesson we will have number 8. So let's start with the first section, warm up. Okay, so
Okay.
let me read the instruction for you. Let's name all the things that you can see in this picture for 1 minute. Are you ready? All
Yes.
right, please start.
Left picture. I think the reason he works
Hmm,
are money.
he works for money, right?
Right picture. I think he don't like to work and spend the time waste
Oh,
uh,
spend
under the picture.
waste.
Mm,
Mhm.
I think this office
Mhm.
uh, uh, is easy to talk
The office is easy
with
to
other
talk.
people
Oh, okay.
and work. Uh, I think it is not uh, not alone
Uh-huh.
to work.
Okay.
Yes, that's all.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Good job. All right. So he works for money. You don't like to work and spend the time. Waste. Okay. Or we can say also with that kind of sentence, you can revise it into he doesn't like to work. Okay. And just wasting time. Okay, did you get that?
Yes.
All right, very good. Yes, all right. So now let's move on to the next section, words and phrases. So let me read the instruction for you. Is study each of the words and phrases listed below and try to use them in a sentence. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so first, let's read the words and phrases. Please repeat after me once. Okay, let's have the first phrase. A job worth doing.
A job was doing.
Very good. Next is purpose and achievement or goal of work.
Purpose and achievement goal of work.
That's right. We also have smooth relationship.
Smooth relationship.
Okay, and next is advance toward the goal.
Advance toward a goal.
All right. Also fulfill one's responsibility.
Fulfill one's responsibility.
Okay, we also have be snowed under with work.
Be snowed under with work.
Yes, and also monotonous.
Monotonous.
Okay,
Monotonous.
monotonous. And the last one is bring home the bacon.
Bring home the bacon.
All right. Do you have any questions about words and phrases?
Bacon is a food.
Yeah, it's actually, yeah, the bacon is food, but when we say
Ah,
bring home the bacon, this is an
yes, yes,
idiom,
yes.
right? This is an idiom. So,
Ah,
yeah, so it means like, for example, if you are about to join a competition, when somebody says bring home the bacon, meaning please win, try to win the
ah.
competition.
Okay, I understand.
Yes, yes. Okay. All right. So now you are going to make a sentence using these words and phrases. Okay, are you ready? All right, let's
Okay.
start with a job worth doing.
I would like to do a
Mhm.
job worth doing.
Yes, of course.
Because if I don't a job worth doing, I would
Hmm.
continue to work.
Hmm.
Wouldn't
Hmm.
continue to
You
work.
wouldn't continue to work. Yes, exactly. It's not if it's not worth doing, right? You you will quit. You will stop, right? Yes,
Yes.
very true. It's easy to quit. Yes.
Yes.
Next is purpose and achievement or goal of work. You can just choose between goal of work or purpose and achievement. It's okay.
Hmm. My purpose and achievement of work.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it's
Mm-hmm.
it sells a product
Self.
my company make
My company make
all over the world.
all over the
World.
all over the world. Wow. So like worldwide, right? All over the world. My purpose and achievement of work is sell product. My company make all over the world. All right. We will just revise this a little bit, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So we will say instead, my purpose and achievement of work is what do you mean sell product? Sell productivity.
Productivity. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Productivity of my company is self productivity and mhm, and help let's say and help my company. What is your goal for your company to be the best company all over the world? Something like that.
Huh?
What is your desire for your company? When you say all over the world, to be the top company all over the world?
Yes. I my production
Mm-hmm.
sells all over the company. I because I
Mm-hmm.
worked uh, uh, because I study English
Uh-huh. Okay.
and speak English. Is important to sell
Mm-hmm.
product for English.
Okay. Self-product, it means like self-improvement. Self-improvement.
Yes.
All right. So achievement of work is self-productivity and for my company to make all over the world. We miss some words here or something here. We need to add something about
Uh,
saying my company make all over the world. What are you trying to say here when you say and for my company make all over the world? What do you want to say? Like,
mm, uh, I earn
mhm.
a lot of money
You,
and to sell
uh-huh.
my production more, a lot of production.
So you want to be
Mm,
more productive to make, yeah, to be more productive in your company
yes,
and all over the world.
yes.
So work is serve productivity in my company and all over the world. Hmm. And all over the world. Does it mean you want also to work abroad? Something like that? Do
Oh,
you have
in,
a goal also to work outside the country? No?
I have never
Never
worked
worked.
go to work. Yes.
Uh,
In the future, I yes, I go to
oh,
the
yeah.
other country.
Yes, yes, that's nice
So
also.
I study native
Oh,
camp.
very good, very
Yes.
good, very good. Okay, yeah. So you need to prepare yourself, right, for the
Yes.
future, so that if there is opportunity for you to travel or work abroad, then you're ready.
Yes.
That's good. All right, now let's have smooth relationship. Okay, please make a sentence using smooth relationship.
Smooth relationship is important
Mm,
to sell
mhm.
my production
All right, it's
uh,
important.
and service.
Oh, okay. So smooth relationship is important. Smooth relationship with your coworkers, right? Is
Yes,
it?
yes,
All
yes,
right.
yes.
So let's add a smooth relationship with my
With
my coworkers.
yes, 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 yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Coworkers is important. Okay. To let's use the word to achieve. Okay. To
Achieve.
achieve productivity.
Yes, yes,
Is
yes,
that what
yes.
you like to say? All right, please read this one. Smooth relationship with my coworkers is important to achieve productivity. Please read.
Smooth relationship with my coworker is important to achieve productivity.
Okay. All right.